second is to bear witness that Muhammad is the final messenger of Allah. This called the two words of testimonial, a shahadatan. We declare this, we believe in it, we are willing to fulfill its requirement and its condition. This would be making you a Muslim. You will speak right this way.
أشهد
أن لا
أن لا
إله
إله
إلا الله
إلا الله
وأشهد
وأشهد
أن
أن
محمدا
محمدا
رسول الله.
رسول الله.
الله أكبر.
Thank you.